In this video we'll be taking 3 powerful off-road scooters up a hill to find out if they can succeed where all of my other e-scooters have failed. 4 have already attempted the hill and 4 haven't made it. For returning viewers we'll find out exactly how steep Sandy Lane is and also how the penis post got its name. What is it with e-scooter companies making their scooters seem like the ultimate hill climbing machines? Here's the iScooter i9. Now admittedly I really like this scooter, but from the website, 350 watt powerful motor, climb a 15% hill. Still going. What? No, that's it. And the iScooter i9 Max with, and I quote, our new powerful 500 watt motor that delivers responsive acceleration and superior hill climbing ability. Only it doesn't. The i9 got here, but the new powerful i9 Max only got here. From the iSinwheel website, which is basically the same brand as iScooter, the S9 Max, which is equivalent to the i9 Max, reads a hill climbability of 15 degrees, or so they'd want you to believe. That symbol there you might know as the less than or equal to sign. Technically, this means that what they're telling us is that the hill climbing ability of this scooter is somewhere between 0 degrees and 15 degrees, but no more than 15 degrees. So even if it could only do 1 degree, saying it can do less than or equal to 15 is technically not a lie. My own hill climbing ability on a kick scooter is less than or equal to 90 degrees. Less than, definitely less than. 15 degrees is equivalent to a 27% hill, if you were wondering. Now this is Sandy Lane, and it's where I do all my hill climbing tests. So far, no e-scooter has made it up the hill. It's a big, long hill, but it's not ridiculous. I think it's fair to expect a powered vehicle to get up a hill like this. I measured it for the first time, and it maxes out at about 12%, so less than the claims of the above e-scooters. Other e-scooters that failed the Sandy Lane climb are the Aovo Ooktek V8, which was the worst performing out of all the e-scooters I've tested, and also the Antwi H10, the scooter with the lowest power at 300 watts, but also the best performing e-scooter so far. It got to the grit box. So will any e-scooter that isn't an absolute beast make it up this hill? Let's find out. And if you like e-scooters, e-bikes or electric skateboards, make sure you hit that subscribe button and check out the channel for reviews of all the e-scooters in this video. Just check out the e-scooter playlist. And first up, we have the Bogist C1 Pro, a 500 watt off-road scooter with chunky tyres. Further down the webpage they actually decide it's a 600 watt scooter and that it has a faster speed. Faster than what? We'll never know, but credit to them, they have advertised a very modest 15% gradability, which is actually a real word that they have used correctly. And the lady on the windy mountain path with no helmet seems to be powering up it with ease. But how will I do on the 12% Sandy Lane? 3, 2, 1, go. Right, decent punch off the line. I only got kilometers per hour on this one. Having to stand a bit far forward because that stupid seat thing. 17 kilometers. 500 watts. Possibly more depending on which bit of literature you find. Past the penis post. Don't hit me car. Right. Looks like we're going to get to the tree maybe. Speed going down now. It looks like it's going to stop. Past the grit box. Still just about going. Can I get to this lamppost? Do I see a lamppost? We've got the final tree. You know what? It's still going. It might just about get there. No, it's not. Spoke too soon. Past the Sandy Lane sign. Ooh, hang on. It's threatening to stop. No, it's definitely stopping. Or is it 8 kilometers now? It's actually speeding up. It looks like it's going to make it. Way! Won't be the fastest. It is obviously a lighter vehicle than e-bikes. The 2000 watt e-bikes have made it. We've got a 750 watt e-bike speeding up now that didn't make it. That peaked at around 800. You know what? I reckon because, and we're about to make it by the way. And no. Right, well done, little man. So the Bogist C1 Pro becomes the first e-scooter that makes it up the hill. We will reveal the times and the overall winner at the end of the video. Next up is the iScooter iX4. iScooters say it's been designed to be the ultimate riding experience. With a powerful 800 watt motor, that's 200 more than the Bogist, they claim it can climb a 35% slope. That's 20% more than what the Bogist claims. Let's see how it does with 12. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, punchy. Ooh, oh, stands on. Stands up. Oh, you know what? I think this feels faster. 14 miles per hour. Past the penis post. First tree. Second tree. Third tree, fourth tree, big tree. Okay, let's beat the other e-scooters. Can it beat the Bogist? Lamppost and grip box. Oh, no, slowing. $500 watts this. Again, some marketing will say that it's 800. To be honest, it annoys me when it carries on at this speed because I'd rather it just conk out so I can get back into the next one. We're going 4 miles per hour, but again, it's not stopping. I think that initial burst was faster than the Bogist, and it looks like it's going to crawl all the way up. Right, okay, and it's picking up speed, 8 miles per hour. Looks like it's over the worst of it and it's going to make it. Next up, we've got the GT2, which is marketed to be the most powerful. But in my initial test, even though it was meant to go 28 miles per hour, it only took me about 22 miles per hour. But it's speeding up now, and I'm about to get to the last lamppost, and 3, 2, 1, and stop! Right, there we go. Well done. So both of my original off-roady scooters have made it so far. Well done to you. So the iX4 manages to make it up the 12% hill. It was looking a bit hairy, but it got there in the end, which you would expect since it supposedly can climb a hill nearly 3 times as steep. Maybe if Tinkerbell was riding it. Again, all the times will be revealed at the end. After the beast, the monster, the iSinwheel, wow, that's a terrible name, GT2, with its chunky 11-inch off-road tyres, powerful 800 watt motor that could well be 1,000 if it's the same scooter as the iScooter iX6. It can carry a max load of 150 kilograms and also can make it up a 35% slope. Rah! 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, well this one should be the best. 800 watts. There's a good chance it picks at 1,000. We're going 15 miles an hour. Top speed is meant to be 28. Battery levels are reading 52 volts. But quite often these things aren't necessarily true. Remember, this is a 12-ish% hill. And this one's already struggling. I don't think, unless it crawls like the other two. Alright, no, it's going slow, 6 miles an hour, 5 miles an hour. No, this one's going to stop. It's going to stop. It's going to stop. And the GT2, the magnificent bad boy GT2, is, to be fair, still going, but I can't balance. I'm going 2.3 miles an hour, and oh, I can't. It's not. I mean, it is still going, but whew. Oh God, just die, will you? Surely not. Surely. 2.7. No, there we go. No, that's it. Oh, it was in what's it called mode. Okay, well there we go. We got to just this parky bit there. Of all the e-scooters that failed, it did the best. So it's the first loser. Well, there we go. The GT2 The monstrous GT2 could not get up the hill. Poor GT2. So after that rather disappointing showing from the beastly looking GT2, let's see how they all compare with the other vehicles that have tackled Sandy Lane. Make sure you stay right until the end to find out how the penis post got its name. So here is the leaderboard. The 2 electric skateboards out there at the top. By the way, you should definitely look into electric skateboards. They're so much fun and you get a lot of bang for your buck. The 2 electric skateboards at the top of this list are not only the fastest vehicles I've had up the hill, but also 2 of the cheapest. And down at the bottom are all of the e-scooters that have so far failed. E-bikes too. Only 2 e-bikes have made it up the hill on throttle alone. So let's slot the GT2 in first, as it didn't actually make it up, but it does sit at the top of the non-finishers pile, since of all the vehicles that didn't make it, the GT2 did get the furthest. Now to the off-road scooters that can climb a 12% hill, and the first test was the Bogist C1 Pro, which made it up the hill in a time of 2 minutes 12 seconds. Not the best time in the world, but it did make it up there, and it's the first e-scooter that has. But it's only slightly faster than me on a push scooter, though admittedly it was a lot less tiring. Can the iX4 beat it with an extra 200 watts? It ought to, but can it outclimb the 1000 watt peaking e-bikes? And the iX4's time is 1 minute 49, over 20 seconds faster than the Bogist, but also nearly 40 seconds slower than those 2 e-bikes. But still, it did make it up, and it's currently the fastest e-scooter we've tested. So there we have it. We finally got some e-scooters up Sandy Lane. It wasn't pretty, but they did it. Don't forget, if you enjoy e-scooter content, you should definitely subscribe to the channel. We also have e-bikes and e-skateboards, which again, you should definitely check out if you're up for a challenge and want an amazing cost to performance ratio. Coming soon will be the review of the e-scooter SX250, which is technically a 250 watt legal e-bike, but in a moped style form that can carry 2 people and is legal for 14-year-olds to ride without tax or insurance. It's amazing, and you can watch it power up Sandy Lane in our first impressions video. I didn't time it though, as I messed up the test, but it's amazing and definitely worth checking out if you're wondering how a heavy 250 watt e-bike can get up that hill when all the other ones, even more powerful ones, have failed. The review may already be on the channel if you're watching this on Dave. If you got something from that video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave your thoughts on the hill climb test below. I'll always try to reply. Until next time, ride safe, and as promised, here's the penis post. This is the penis post.